case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1837, the Supreme Court of the United States heard a case between the proprietors of the Charles River Bridge and the proprietors of the Warren Bridge. The lawsuit centered around the issue of whether a state can divest vested rights without violating the U.S. Constitution, provided it does not impair the obligation of a contract. The controversy began when the Charles River Bridge was granted a charter to operate a ferry from Charlestown to Boston. In 1785, a rival group led by Thomas Russell sought permission from the Massachusetts legislature to build a bridge at the same location. The legislature approved their request and chartered a new company, the Proprietors of the Charles River Bridge. The original charter holders took issue with the state's decision to grant a competitor access to their route and brought the case to the Supreme Court. The court had to determine whether the state had the authority to revoke a charter company's vested rights. Ultimately, they ruled in favor of the state, concluding that it held the power to grant competing charters if doing so served the public interest, and that the original charter holders were not entitled to exclusive rights to the disputed property. Furthermore, the court held that the Charles River Bridge could not claim a breach of contract since their charter did not explicitly prohibit the construction of the Warren Bridge. The lower court's decision to dismiss the case was upheld, and the Supreme Court clarified that state power to take private property did not conflict with the federal Constitution.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.